guys, hope everyone is doing good. Today's video is showing you guys how you could put a learning binder for toddlers, a DIY learning binder for toddlers. I was trying to come up with an easy way in teaching Logan without me having to hang up stuff on my wall or having to write stuff down with him, because he's now learning his alphabet, his numbers, his shapes, colors, and so on. So I was trying to find something easy that's going to be easy for me to teach him and also easy for him to follow along with me to figure out what I'm trying to teach him. So I was doing my research and I came across someone actually putting together a learning binder, and I said, wow, that's so cute. So the difference between mine and theirs, they actually printed out everything and laminated everything and put it in the binder. But mine, I actually had certain materials already in the house that I wasn't using. So I was trying to come up with a unique way in using the materials that I already have to make this binder. Everything you guys are going to see, I'm going to show you guys the materials in a second that I will be using, and then you guys are going to see me actually put the binder together. Everything that I'm using, I actually got it from the 99-cent store. So if you guys like this binder that I'm making and you want to actually try it on your own, you could just go to the 99-cent store and pick up all the materials I'm using today. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please don't forget to share my video if you like it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, so I'm back. My binder basically is going to be teaching him to identify his colors, numbers, and alphabets and shapes. So let's get to it. Oh, and also everything that I purchased, I had to purchase doubles of course, because I'm teaching him to match. So you guys are going to see how I put everything together and why I have doubles of everything. Oh, I don't think I told you guys the materials I'm using. So for this material, you're basically gonna just need a binder, and you're gonna need protecting sheet paper. So guys, I'm up to the shapes now. With the shapes, it's going to be a little different because I actually had shapes. So guys, for the shapes, it's going to be a little different because I'm using shapes that I already had at home. So I'm going to just show you guys. I actually did an example before, just to make sure it was going to come out good. So this is how it looks. So you guys now gonna see how I did everything. But the only thing is that I'm not gonna do that I already did on here. I actually took a black Sharpie and wrote the name of the shape right on the top of the card. So you guys are gonna see how I put it together now. I also measured the construction paper along with the sheet protector to make sure it's the right size. guys, I'm done with the shapes. I'm gonna just show you guys now what I'm gonna do with the extra pieces. This is how the binder looks. So when it's time to teach Logan, all I have to do is go to my Ziploc bag, take out the shape, and then ask him to match the shape, and it'll look like this. And I will continue to do that for the rest of it, for the alphabets, colors, and numbers. So basically it's a matching book.